Today we're going to look at AI coding assistants as they are versus the old way of developing software, before looking at the future, because in 12 months, everything will have changed. Imagine you're deep in the zone, coding away, and your assistant points out a bug before you even finish a line. It doesn't just tell you what's wrong, it suggests the perfect fix. This isn't just some far-off dream. For a lot of us, it's the new normal. We've all been there, losing our minds hunting for a single typo that brought the entire app to a grinding halt. For as long as most of us have been coding, debugging has been a painful, manual chore. It's a total momentum killer, and let's be honest, it's the least fun part of the job. We've all littered our code with print statements, set up elaborate breakpoints to freeze everything in time, or even found ourselves explaining the problem to a duck, just hoping for a flash of insight. These methods get the job done, but they're slow and always feel like you're one step behind. But what if you had a partner that watched your code, spotted logical errors in real time, and offered a fix on the spot? That's exactly what the new wave of AI coding assistants are doing. These aren't just glorified spell checkers, they are intelligent pair programmers that live right inside your editor. They understand the context of your project and offer solutions as you type. This is a huge shift from fixing bugs after the fact, preventing them from ever happening in the first place. Meet your new AI pair programmer. While there are a bunch of tools popping up, the one that perfectly captures this reality is GitHub Copilot. Think of it as a personal AI assistant that integrates directly into your IDE. Its job is to analyze your code as you write it, use AI to identify potential bugs, and give you smart, relevant corrections instantly. Because it works inside your IDE, like vscode, you never have to break your flow by switching to another application. The feature that makes tools like Copilot so powerful is the real-time bug detection. It doesn't just flag syntax errors, it analyzes your logic. It understands your specific codebase to provide contextual debugging, making it way easier to see the root cause of a problem before it derails you. The speed of innovation being put into these models is so crazy that for some, this may also be an old way of coding. Copilot Agent Mode can be used to write code from scratch and use the context of entire repositories powered by the likes of GPT, Sonnet, and Grok. That's the kind of power we're talking about. This is what makes tools like GitHub Copilot so revolutionary.
The bigger picture.
While tools like GitHub Copilot are amazing for real-time help in your editor, they're part of a much bigger AI ecosystem. Platforms like Sentry use AI to monitor your applications live in production, catching errors and giving you context to fix them fast. Tools like Rookout allow you to fetch data from live applications without stopping them, almost like adding log lines on the fly. And services like Codex perform automated code reviews. In fact, I think most AI assistants now provide code reviews, automatically spotting security holes and performance issues before your code ever gets merged, even suggesting, if not making, the changes required to fix. This isn't about squashing one bug, it's about improving the quality of the entire software development lifecycle. We're likely to continue to see AI tools and even whole platforms evolve fast, encompassing the whole software development lifecycle. So what does the future look like? Imagine a place where your IDE is no longer a place to write code, where developers spend their time crafting prompts rather than writing code. Will code reviews themselves be fully automated and abstracted from the developer, along with code coverage, security scans, and the whole CI/CD pipeline? AI agents will continuously observe your infrastructure and queue performance, security, and reliability improvements, which will, in turn, be developed, tested, and released by another AI agent. Will the winner of the AI race simply have the platform for everything? The best customer CRM, the best marketplace, the best social media platform, streaming service, with AI-generated entertainment? How would we even interface with such a platform? Would it be a web browser experience, chat, voice, telepathically with something like Neuralink? Personally, I don't know how I would feel about a platform like this. It could make companies like Google and Facebook look like mum-and-pop shops in comparison, completely dominating the digital world. I'd be interested to hear your thoughts on the future of software development and AI agents. Given the rapid leaps in agentic AI and output quality, our world could look very, very different in just 12 months' time. So, has AI taken our jobs? No, not yet. An AI-powered tool is just that, a tool. It's not going to design the next great application for you perfectly today, but it will handle the tedious, repetitive parts of coding, freeing you up to focus on what actually matters, architecting elegant solutions and building incredible software. It makes you faster, more efficient, and ultimately a better developer. The future of development is collaborative. It is you paired with an incredibly smart AI assistant working together to write better code faster than ever before. Oh, and please remember to subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay merge ready.